here we go on video from a phone. I know secondhand is whatever, but I was on the phone with the guy from Domino's on the phone that I have. So I had another phone that videotaped his ass. Go ahead, son.
I make you a little pizza. You can put me on YouTube, and I'll be like, hey, my name is John. I run the store.
All right, so say what you just said again. I wasn't clear, very clear.
All right, man. You have a good night, okay? If you're not going to come get your pizza, you have a good night.
No, I'm going to call corporate on you.
Okay.
How about that?
Go for it.
Bro, I'm not going to come pick up a pizza that I paid to have delivered to me.
And I understand that. But like I said, with how the conversation's gone, I'm not going to deliver you a pizza either.
Why are you not going to deliver the pizza?
Well,
Because
I
paid your
the past like 5 minutes.
I paid your delivery driver like $4 tip.
Okay. There was 3 before, so it seems like you're kind of uneasy on this whole situation, man.
It's 3 and change, bro. Count it up.
3 and change, all right? I mean, I can do common math. I appreciate that.
So your name's John,
Yes, sir.
and you're at the Gordon Road Domino's.
Yep.
And you are refusing to deliver a second pizza, the original one that I wanted to have ordered to me.
After insulting my employees and things of such, yes, I'm not going to do that.
Oh, yeah. Because I have witnesses.
I don't care about your witnesses, man. This is a conversation between me and you as grown adults. Alright? So you have a great night, man, alright?
So that's how you're going to leave it. Really?
I offered you a credit. You said you weren't going to accept it, so...
Not for picking up. No, I want it delivered. I want a pepperoni and mushroom.
Man, you know what's funny, too, is, like, technically we're not even supposed to be doing delivery right now, which is why the internet is off.
Oh, but you're still doing it, though, so therefore you overlaps what you just said.
Alright. Well, you have a good night, man.
So you're not going to do it?
No, you can come pick it up if you want to.
No, you can deliver it, or you can talk to corporate, because I've had you
Gladly talk
on.
to corporate about it, man.
I've had
Gladly talk
you
to corporate
on
about it.
everything for this.
That's fine.
By the way, you need to get people that don't have partial English scholarships to America.
Appreciate that, man. Anything
Yep.
else? Any other advice you'd like to give me?
No, the simple fact that I've been born and raised in this town
Okay.
for...
You have a good night now, okay? I'm not going to sit here and argue with you because I'd like to, go home.
Okay.
So,
All right, cool.
all right.
Cool.
Have a good night, man.
Yeah, you're on YouTube. Yeah, good stuff. How is Domino's going to figure on that? How's your bosses going to figure on that? How's your bosses going to figure on that, bro? Exactly. That's why you haven't hung up.
Sorry, this is just really entertaining to me, man.
Oh, it's
You're gonna be on
really...
YouTube, so I'll see you on YouTube, all right, man? Have a good night.
Hey, bro, it's on you, man. Hey, corporate's going to get this video.
Okay, bye.
So, cool. John at Domino's wants me to go pick up a pizza because his non-English speaking person doesn't want to admit the fact that I said pepperoni and mushroom instead of pineapple and mushroom. And then he backs up his employee, which is a good thing. But he gets to try to he wants to give me something that I can come pick up. He doesn't want to deliver it. He doesn't want to make the order right. This is Dominos for you.